Okay, guys, how are we doing? It's Dutra here, and as we always do, we talk about cars. So now, one of my followers asked a question regarding how the chassis number on the control unit or the control boards are being changed. Okay, so here is the thing. You see, your control board contains, or should I say, your control board is the brains behind your car, just like the human. The head is what contains everything, positive or negative. Okay, so this is how these hackers do. Okay, now they bring out the control unit from your car. Okay, bring out the IC or the chip which contains all the numbers and digits on your car, aka the algorithm, because control boards or the chip that contains the chassis number of your car is the same chip that contains the operating system that runs and operates your car. So these hackers or these auto electricians bring out your control boards, heat up the chip which contains this information, mount it on a card reader or otherwise a chip reader so that they can have access to it. Now here's the thing. This job cannot be done by one person. Okay, sometimes it needs about 2 or 3 people to do this. The person who is doing the hardware parts, which is the one who unled the chip, slot it on the chip reader, and then the person who is breaking through the firewall to get this information deleted and installed. Okay, it's not a one-man thing. It involves 2 or 3 people, as I said earlier. So this is how it goes. Now, when they unlead the chip which contains the information, that is the algorithm that contains or that controls your car, they mount it on a card reader or a chip reader so that they can have access to it. Slot it with a device which is internet related to the mastermind. Okay, so they break through the firewall which is protecting or securing the information on the car, delete the chassis number, re-input the new chassis number that needs to be done, and the operating system that tallies with that chassis number. Okay, so it's not just about deleting chassis and installing chassis. The chassis that they input also sometimes they need to install an operating system that can run with it smoothly, because with the slightest error on it, your car might not start. And even if your car starts, it will not perform right. Transmission might give you errors, oxygen sensors might, like a whole lot of electrical issues can pop up just because the operating system that has been installed on the car is not matching with the operating system on the control board. You understand? Your car and the control board is not matching based on the fact that the operating system on it is not like compatible with the car. Now, there are some cars that it is very, very easy for these guys to do, especially cars from the Japanese automobile industry, cars from Korea, cars from America. Their security is 100% loose. When you buy cars like Toyota, Lexus, Honda, all those cars, very, very easy to break through. They do it just within a finger snap and it is done. But when it comes to cars like, especially, okay, even with the German brands, BMW, very, very easy. They easily go through, smooth like that. But when it comes to cars like VW and Audi, they go through hell. They go through serious hell in getting this job done. Okay, that is why it is quite expensive, because it's not like rewriting the chassis number on your car or rewriting the sticker chassis or the sticker ones that is pasted on your car. What this has to do with the control board, the brain box, which controls the car. So this is how it's being done. They bring out the chip, put it on a chip reader, delete the operating system which contains the information, which is the chassis number, and install a new operating system. Those of us who knows a little bit of information technology related to computer, it's just like our laptop. You can delete the operating system and install a new operating system with it. And every new operating system you install comes with a key code. That is how it goes. So these key codes are related to, let's say, for example, the chassis numbers. This is how it's being done, and it is being done 100% okay. Yeah.